In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. Tapi pipeline project to become operational within 2 months. 5 newly published books unveiled by the Directorate of Jihadi Heritage Preservation. And 3 members of a family killed in a traffic accident in central Logar. Welcome to Urooj Daily News Package. It's Thursday, the 13th of Rabiul Awal 1448, the 5th of Sambala 1405, and the 27th of August 2026. The news details. Sheikh Nur Ahmad Islamjar, the governor of Herat, says work on Tapi gas pipeline project in the province is expected to be completed and the project brought into operation within the next 2 months. Speaking at the inauguration of the administrative building of Herat Chamber of Industry and Mines, the governor stated that in the first phase a subsidiary line of Tapi pipeline would be connected to Herat Industrial Park. He urged residents and factory owners of the aforesaid park to prepare the necessary infrastructure and pipelines to make the use of Tapi gas. The Directorate of Jihadi Library and Publications, under the General Directorate for Preservation of Jihadi Heritage in the Ministry of Information and Culture, has launched its official website and unveiled 5 newly published books. Speaking at the ceremony, the Foreign Minister Maulavi Amir Khan Muttaqi stated that the General Directorate for Preservation of Jihadi Heritage should document what he described as injustice and crimes committed by 3 past empires in Afghanistan and present them to international community. Meanwhile, Mufti Muhammad Tahir Ahmad, the head of the General Directorate for the Preservation of Jihadi Heritage, said that in addition to the central museums, efforts are underway to establish museums in 7 zones across the country. The news continuation. The Ministry for Propagation of Virtue, Prevention of Voice and Hearing of Complaints says it investigated 102 cases related to women's rights during past week. According to the ministry, 7 major disputes were also resolved during the same period, while 11 individuals accused of sorcery were arrested. The ministry further expressed that 213 reform-oriented meetings were held with traders. And ultimately, 3 members of a family were killed and 3 others injured following a traffic accident in Gambazi, the area of Pola Alam, the capital of central Logar province. Local officials attributed the accident to the excessive speed. That was the latest news from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration. Blessing Friday. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.